Bonjour tout le monde. Hello and welcome aboard. This is my star with Asa. My name is Angel Tony Asa, Prince of the Sun, and we are at Infinity Lounge in Ntinda, a very amazing place where you can come with your family and have a very nice meal. But ladies and gentlemen, now we are here for business because it's my star with Asa, and we are back with a bang. This time we have the money bags with us. I'm just smelling dollars right now. Guess what? Because I have someone who can change your life in just a click of a finger. Ladies and gentlemen, all of us crave to have financial freedom. But if you want to have financial freedom, this is the right time. Just sit back, relax, and watch the show. I'm here with none other than Kiiza. Robert Kiiza? Yeah. Nobert. I'm here with Nobert Kiiza. He's an education partner and trainer at FX Pesa Academy. Who didn't want to know how to trade? Welcome aboard. My name is Angel and I am here with Nobert Kiiza. You're most welcome, boss.
Thank you, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Wow.
Yeah.
I started even trembling when introducing you because, I mean, many people come to you and you're a doctor, and we presume being a doctor, you're able to treat many people's problems, right?
Yeah.
At FX Pesa. But first and foremost, before we go to FX Pesa, tell us, who is Nobert Kiiza? Who is Nobert Kiiza?
Awesome. So Nobert Kiiza is a trader. He's passionate about agribusiness, passionate about philanthropy, and also passionate about helping people to access the global markets. I've been in the financial sector for quite some time, and it's been quite a journey. Okay. And recently, I was able to join a great team over at FX Pesa, which is connected to a group of other different brokerage entities all across the world. And we are doing quite a lot with enabling people to access the opportunities in the global markets. Okay. Back then, it wasn't usually easy to have accessing the global markets through all these different assets, but now it has been made easy, and it's really, really great when I heard, that we actually have an African broker based here within Africa for us called FX Pesa, and that's when it's a passion for me to help people. I've been part of sensitizing, I've been part of mobilization of funds for companies, and I'm happy that at least we're having such opportunities coming to us here in Uganda. Wow! Yeah, so it's an amazing journey that I'm part of, and it's very thrilling for me. Yeah. Okay. And I'm happy also to be here with Esa. I've known Esa for some time, and it's amazing to be here to share with you guys about the global markets. Okay. So, Nobert, you told us you're a Forex trader. Yeah. What is Forex trading? I mean, Forex. What's Forex trading? Yeah, so Forex trading is simply just buying and selling of money. Buying and selling of money, but as you know it, of course, most of the time, the word that has been coined to mean any kind of trading has been Forex trading. But it's actually a whole other world
tell them,
out
this
there.
Is your camera. Make sure you tell them well.
It's a whole other world out there because we essentially have trading of currencies like the dollar, the euro, the very liquid currencies around the world. But aside from that, essentially, if anyone will tell you about Forex trading, to make things simple for anyone, it's just anything that has real value in the world, okay? You're able to trade that through a platform. Okay. And that's what has been made possible through all these different brokerage firms that you have out there, and of course, like FX Pesa. So essentially what it is if, for instance, you wanted to maybe buy Bitcoin, rather than get the actual Bitcoin, which may be very expensive for you, you can actually get a certain portion of money and then put that money on the price of Bitcoin and estimate that maybe Bitcoin is going to rise by this much and pocket the difference.
So you mean I can buy gold without actually having the real gold?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
You can, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, and all that, actually the CFDs market, which of course trading is part of, is a $1 trillion market. There's big money that's being pushed through that industry because of the ease of access of such assets. Yeah, so it's a really good business, and it has changed people's lives. So many people that have looked for what to do in their retirement, young people like us who have looked for how we can, increase how much we're earning. The markets have done that for us. So I think it's such an amazing asset for anyone. Yeah, trading.
Isn't trading a scam? People say trading is a scam. That people go on the phone, they do things, they get dollars. Isn't it a scam?
That's very true. Yeah, and those scam words are out there so much for trading. And I think the reason for the scam, first of all, is most people are coming from the point of the fact that they don't really understand how the product works. Because in any case, guys, if I don't know how your business works, I'm most probably going to call it a scam until you show me how it works. Yeah. So trading, you just have to understand how does it work, how do I profit, and most of all, how do I manage my risk. Okay. I think the other thing also is the industry has been given a lot of scamming, I think, titles because of something that we would call bad actors. You have people that are taking people's money, and they are not even licensed to do that, or they don't know what they're doing. And it's because of all these different things that now we associate Forex trading to scam. But I want to tell you that it's a heavily regulated industry. Okay. Even here in Africa, really regulated. And of course, even then across the world, there's heavy regulation for this particular type of product. Okay. Yeah. So, and that's because a lot of people are involved in it. So of course, every entity that you're dealing with needs to be regulated. And even FX and all these different brokerages are all regulated. And of course, for our case, it's the Capital Markets Authority of Kenya. Yeah.
Oh, okay. We shall come to FX. Awesome. Now, people say people who do Forex are gamblers. Is Forex, other than saying it is a scam, is it a gamble like sports betting? People say it is a gamble also.
Now, of course, for me, I think it's just when someone tells me about gambling, because I speak with many traders on a daily, I speak with people who are just starting trading, and there's always that association with gambling. But I feel it's two things. It's either you're gambling, like any business. It's either you're gambling or you're investing or you're trading. So investing, we're talking about long term. Trading, we're talking about short term. But the only difference between a gambler and a trader is that a gambler does not really have a plan. There is no strategy, there is no plan, exit plan regarding the trades, entry plans regarding the trades, there is no plan at all. But a trader has a plan, and it's a realistic plan. Rather that if I told you how I'm trading, or if you had to walk to me when I'm trading, I would essentially tell you this is why I'm taking this trade, and maybe this is why I'm not taking this trade. Yeah. So I think the difference is that the other one is gambling, has no plan, and maybe is risking too much for a very short time, and the other one is having a realistic plan. Okay. Yeah. So I wouldn't associate it with gambling.
Okay. Does trading have a potential of changing someone's life?
Yes, it does. Definitely, it does. But what I would say for it is I tend to approach trading in a way that, and even for the different examples of the successful traders that I follow, these people have been in the industry for over 25 years. Wow. If you search for these people, there's Gary Dayton, there is Britt Sternberger. These are people that have been in the industry for so long, but only that most people, especially the ones who just do not have that natural touch to trading, the people who just have that natural touch, like when you tell them how it works, immediately they are profitable. Okay. But then those ones, as you know, they are just natural borns. They are few. But for the rest of us, I just need to understand how it works. It takes time. It's not a one-day thing. It's not a one-month thing. And of course, the other thing that I also encourage people who want to explore this space is that you need to have like a realistic target. Rather than saying maybe you want to make this much money in a day, you need to spread out your target into simple, like for instance, you can say maybe every day, I want to maybe make 200,000, or every day maybe 500,000 Uganda shillings, or $1 million, something like that. And it has to be in line with how much you're investing. Because you find people coming and saying, hey, Chief, look here, maybe I have, I have $200. You think I can make 1K in a day? I'm asking myself, there's no business that can give you that, So we tend to approach it, and even if you were to ask me, if you walk to me and ask me, I would tell you that you need to have like a realistic target, Yeah. And I think also is that this is not a get rich quick thing. With any business anyway, I don't think you're going to find a business that will make you wake up tomorrow a billionaire. You have to start growing your income slowly and managing it. Yeah.
Okay.
So for me, it's really just about having those small, simple targets for yourself.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now someone out there is watching and saying, how do I become a trader? Yeah. If the question goes to you, how does someone become a trader?
Yeah, so becoming a trader, there are so many ways you can start. First thing, of course, is you first need to understand why you're getting involved. Are you maybe a long-term trader? Are you going to be a short-term trader? There are guys you find, for instance, who have gotten into positions that they have held for close to a year. And that's what trading. But the trading is also a bit like investing, because you have that opportunity for you to not have to get out of the market. You can have a trade open even for as long as a year, as long as 2 years. Yeah, so it depends on what exactly you want to accomplish. Do you want to have a daily income? Are you trading short term? Are you trading long term? Are you trading full time? Are you trading part time? So you have to first establish those things. Then I think the second thing is, what do you think will work best for you? Because there are some assets that are very volatile and they play with your mind. Like you see, maybe I would say Bitcoin and gold, day trading them would need you, for instance, maybe to approach it in a way that you maybe have a long-term view. But if you're looking for short-term money, you want to look for liquid currencies and liquid assets, like USD, like the euro, like the US indices. Those are the indices are essentially just baskets of stocks.
Yeah.
So those ones are very liquid. So you find a lot of movements within a day that can allow you to make money. So it's about, first of all, having those set plan, like what do you want to make, how much do you want to make, what is your perspective? Are you looking long-term, short-term? Yeah, so those are the questions you have to first answer.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's understandable that for you to join trading, you have to have a broker you're working with.
Yeah.
First and foremost, who is a broker?
A broker is just someone who links you to the market.
Okay.
If you are a broker, you're linking me to the market.
Okay.
That's because retail investors such as ourselves, we can't access the global markets.
Okay.
And of course, as you know, most of these assets are available in countries that are away from us, the US, the Europe. So the broker gives you access.
Okay.
Yeah. So once you go to the broker, sign up with a broker, then you're able to get access to the markets.
So where can someone get a broker? Which broker do you use?
So for me, of course, I'm not allowed to use FX Pesa because I'm a staff of FX Pesa.
Okay.
But I use another licensed broker that's available in the UK and also in Africa. Okay. Yeah, but there are many brokers you can utilize. FX Pesa is one of them. Okay. And of course, with it, it's regulated in Kenya. Okay. It's regulated in UK. It's in Florida in the US. It's in Cyprus. It's in Armenia. It's in Jordan. It's in about 8 locations in the world. So, and it's well regulated. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, talking about FX Pesa, you're an education partner and trainer with FX Pesa. What does FX Pesa have to offer to this young person, this old man who wants to retire and really wants to join trading? What does you as an education partner or trainer at FX Pesa have to tell these people?
Yeah, so we have trainings or workshops that we conduct at the academy.
Yes.
And these workshops are focused particularly on technical analysis, which is very important for anyone who's learning to trade. We also focus on money management. That's, of course, as you know, trading needs you to manage your money well because you need to be able to see how much money you can take out of the markets, how much you can leave. Then we also talk about risk management, but risk management is more in line with the actual trading. Yeah, not just generically risk management, it's more in line with the trading. Then we also focus on trading psychology. So we have quite a number of things that we do. Our classes are interactive. Okay. We also have a lot of resources. If you search online on YouTube, there are so many resources that you can access to help you to trade. Okay. Yeah, but even you yourself, he's really good with trading and he can definitely guide
make my landlord come for me.
There are so many resources that I'm sure Esa will be able to share with you guys and see how you guys can progress in your either if you're already a trader and if you're looking to join the space.
Okay. Yeah. So how does someone join Forex Pesa?
You just go to the website. I'm sure that the link will be available in the bio, so you can sign up using the link. And once you go there, you'll immediately be assigned to an account manager, and the account manager will definitely be here, someone who is in Uganda, because you have Ugandans who are running the FX Pesa Academy here. So the account manager will guide you with how you can finish up the process. You will also need documents, either your Ugandan passport or East African passport, or your Ugandan national ID. So those are the documents that you'll need. And most importantly also, your proof of address. Yeah, so the proof of address is a document which is important for compliance purposes over the broker. Yeah, so we are all mandated to make sure we submit those documents. Yeah, so that's pretty much what you need. Once you get those, then every single resource that you need to guide you will be available, will be at your disposal. Yeah.
So another question close to that is are your classes for free or it is paid for?
By the way, guys, the classes are free. I know, especially since, you know, we just launched in Kampala, I think, in April. I don't know how many months back that was. But please, I know there might be people come and tell you have to pay for the classes and what, but all the classes are free and they are all sponsored by FX Pesa. So, yeah. You should be able to come to the class, interact. We have a lot of people at the class. You're going to make friends there, find like-minded people, and you can see how you can continue your journey.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you as a trainer, and FX Pesa pays you. Because I was going to say, how do you offer knowledge for free? You know? So, so from what I've heard, for someone to join FX Pesa, they go online and then do that. And then to come for classes, you said, where are the classes?
The classes are at Rumi Building along Lumumba Avenue and right opposite Trade Plaza. Most of you have been to Piato. I'm sure most people have been to Piato. Right near Piato, there's a plaza called Trade Plaza. So right opposite Trade Plaza. We're in that really nice building and in a really good space there.
When are your classes?
The classes are from 1 to 3 and then 4 to 6, Monday to Friday.
Monday to Friday.
1
to 3?
And then 4 to 6.
4 to 6.
Yeah.
Monday to Friday. How long would it take someone who is very interested or who is green? Let's say someone who is very green, from zero to hero in trading to learn.
So guys, I've had people who have absolutely zero knowledge about finance, zero knowledge about trading, but these guys catch on within even as little as 2 weeks, 1 week.
Wow.
Yeah. So it depends, first of all, on your approach. It depends on your willingness. Willingness is very important. Yeah. Because, I mean, you know, the thing with many of these things, when you tell them you need to watch this, you need to read this, then I'll be like, this is so much. You get it? But you have to put in an effort. So once you put in the effort, then it becomes easy. Yeah. You need to put in an effort. Yeah. So that's the kind of approach you need to utilize.
Wow. Okay. Yeah. Now we've found all about FX Pesa. Is there anything you need to add about FX Pesa that we do not know before we go to our next segment, which will be more on success stories?
Not really much. Just to generally speak about Forex trading as it is I just urge you guys, we all need an extra income. On whatever it is that we are earning, we need that extra income. So find out how you can benefit from this big space, because this is a $1 trillion market. You can definitely at least get a pinch from that $1 trillion market that can help you, help your family, you know, help people out there, help your communities. Yeah, so I urge you guys to get involved.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Nobert, Kiiza, our main trainer. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go for a short break. When we come back, want to go and Nobert will tell us something real tangible, not educational now. See you right after break. This is Infinity Lounge in Itinda. My name is Angelton Asa, Prince of the Sun, and this is my star with Asa. See you right after the break. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and we are with the man that can change your life at just a snap of a finger, Mr. Nobert Kiiza. Welcome back, Nobert.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I'm happy to be back.
Okay. So now, just a quick one. I want you to give our viewers an experience of someone who has moved their life from zero, from learning what a structure is, what is a PIP, etc., to becoming extremely successful.
Yeah,
before
so
we close?
awesome. So I'm in a group of traders. We call ourselves Forex Bros. We started that group I think in 2020. And that group is diverse. We have architects there. We have people that are in real estate. We have people that are doing all these sorts of different businesses. And I think maybe there's one person, I think I'll just use his initials, called HN. And he was trading, I think, with me from indices. I think Herbert, I think for him, he stayed trading, I think, with about $300. And he used to work, he's actually my colleague at one of my former workplaces. And he stayed with $300, but Herbert took it, I think, in a space of about 8-9 months to around 2K.
Wow.
Yeah, and for quite a number of them, I've encouraged them to actually save up a portion of their money to a unit trust. And I've been having a lot of these guys, piling up money in unit trusts because of trading.
Okay.
Every single time we take off money on a daily, put it on a unit trust, do some business with it, and a lot of other people, at least in this group, that's how they have been able to have their money increasing.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's possible for a young man to start driving big cars, renting big apartments, fly private jets while trading.
Now, guys, meanwhile, I need to talk about that.
Because there are many TikTok, I see many YouTubers saying, me, I'd move in a private jet, business class, and they have nice Benzes and all that, living in posh apartments, and they're traders.
Yeah, so that's partly true. You have a number of people who have been successful from trading, and we also have that. But then again, recently, actually, I was browsing through Twitter, and there was an influencer, I think on Twitter, who rented out a Lamborghini for one of his videos, but someone zoomed in on the rental sticker.
Oh.
And this guy's Twitter ever since then is just completely, his followers dropped, and there's no content at all on the Twitter.
Okay.
So we have a bit of bad characters, of course, that show us this lavish life, but then we also have those who are legit there from trading, and definitely trading can get you all of that, but it depends on what scale of trading that you're doing.
Okay.
Yeah. So again, guys, it also really depends on how much money you're willing to put into this business.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That means we should be aware of people who want to pretend to be living, but then they want to teach you and take your money to scam you, is it?
Exactly, yes.
Because I understand there are very fake teachers also online who want to show that they teach.
Yes, actually recently there was one who was arrested, I think, in the UK.
Okay.
He had an academy and he was guaranteeing. Yeah, so again, guys, no one should guarantee you income. No one should guarantee you profit. There is nothing like a guarantee in trading. What we aim to do is that you need to at least be turning in a net profit.
Okay.
But otherwise everything should be taken as advice.
Okay.
There's no one who should tell you that this is for certain. Yeah, because even then, everywhere you'll check, even on FX's website, we say that there is nothing that is investment advice. By addition to that, which is very important, is past performance should not be used as a benchmark for future returns. Whatever happens in the past has happened, but you can never, ever 100% be certain of the future.
Okay.
We can only try to have a high probability with how we are trading, but you can never be 100% certain.
Okay.
Yeah. So the fact that we're not 100% certain means that we have to have some kind of mitigation technique for seeing that we do not lose everything, but we lose a portion, but still at the end of the day make more than what we are losing.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. This is Nobert Kiiza. I'm just gonna give you now a few, maybe 60 seconds, look into your camera and give your closing remarks, then we close this show.
Yeah, first of all, I'm happy to be here with Esa. Thank you for hosting me on this show. I'm really looking forward to the content that we have on this show. And I'm also happy for those who have been able to tune in. Please subscribe, you guys. There's a lot of interesting content that we have on this channel. So I urge you guys to subscribe and get to change your life and get to also learn a lot about what's happening in the markets. Okay. But most of all, I'm encouraging you to take a look into this space, see if it's something that will be valuable to you. And if yes, get to learn, take your time. And of course, most of all, you need to put down some money, have some capital that you're willing to put down in this business. Be willing to learn, be eager to explore and get to know something new in this business. So otherwise with that, I wish you all an awesome time, and Stay blessed, guys.
Wow.
Yeah.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, special announcement. If you want to learn trading, please go to FX Pesa. At which building?
Rumi building. And for those of you that want to sign up, I think the link is in the bio for this video, so you can use that link and get yourself an account, and we'll have an account manager assigned to you.
Wow.
Yeah.
So we're going to put a link down where if you want to join FX Pesa, just sign up and bingo, you'll become a trader. And from zero, from $10, you can get $1 million US. And drive Porsche cars, buy Lamborghinis, fly in private jets.
Yeah.
Because I think this is a trade where there's no paying rent,
Yeah.
there's no Musubuzi, there's nothing. You just print, you have what?
Yeah.
You have an ATM card.
Yes.
You have an ATM machine in your phone and you just print money.
For sure.
Now you look at Nobert, it's just looking like money. It's just... Anyways, ladies and gentlemen,
Awesome.
thank you very much for watching our amazing show. And this has been Nobert Kiiza. He's a trainer of FX Pesa. Please make sure you learn trading, because that is the way to go for all the young people who want to retire early. You want to retire at 30 and get at 40. This might be a chance. Thank you very much. Ciao, adios. My name is Angel Tony Esa, Prince of the Sun. I'm done. Peace.